Chinki Drawing Arts! Today we're drawing something spiky, juicy and totally tropical. It's a dragon fruit! Grab your black marker and let's get started on this fantastic adventure. Let's begin with the outline. Don't worry, just follow along with me step by step. Draw the first shape. Now, add this curve here. Great job! You're doing amazing! Who knew drawing could be this much fun, huh? Now, let's finish the rest of the shapes and details. Let's draw these big, bright, and super cute eyes. They'll bring our drawing to life. Take your time, little artist. We're not in a race. There you go. Our outline is ready. Now comes the fun part. Let's go over the lines to make them bold and bright. Use your marker and trace slowly. Steady hands and proud heart. It's coloring time! Are you ready to bring your art to life?
Red like apples, blue like sky, green like grass, oh me, oh my. Grab your marker, pen and pen. Let's make magic once again. Color time, draw with me. Sun and moon
Pink
in a
color,
buzzing beat.
soft and sweet like cotton
Dashes
candy.
line by line. Chinky makes it super fine. Draw a fishy in the sea, then a flower or a tree. Color up from toe to toe. We won't stop. Flip, flop, hop.
Wow, look how cool your drawing looks already.
Colors make you smile so wide. Draw your dreams and draw your heart. You're the star of every art. Color time, yay, hooray.
Subscribe to Chinki Drawing Arts for more fun and easy drawings.
Let's keep drawing.
You must try this.
Slow and smooth. Ooh, look at those colors shine! It's looking better than ever! Are you smiling while drawing? I hope so. This is turning out to be so awesome!
Nice.
Let's add a little bit more. Just like that. You're making this look so beautiful. Wow! And you did it! Just look at your drawing. It's bright, it's bold, and it's beautiful. Just like you. Give yourself a high five. You worked so hard, and it totally shows. Before we go, don't forget to share your artwork with someone you love, make them smile today, and hit that thumbs up if you had fun drawing with me. See you soon, little artists. Keep